Independent thought is scarce even in independent thinkers. So-called independent thinkers. So-called independent artists. You know what I mean? But I remain part of the grain, part of the brain, part of the main, not the mainstream.
Nightmares, I'm running from the devil in the night airs. Let God take over the battle, I don't fight fates. My year 2021 and every other. My tears are prayers speaking health unto my mother, my father, brothers, cousins and the sisters. Darkness is in bed, it allowed my eyes to see stars. Embezzle bars like it's Zanu in the fiscus. I assemble raw lyricism that you discuss. Spin it on air like it's discus. Javelin competitors like a spear, I don't flip flop. Sema pata pata makapata if you part of. Vano prata so and so, patati patata. Supporting propaganda but you technically a squatter. Hookers in the atta, buying hookah in the gutter. Like the seed that fell on the rocky soil. Talk is all we fuel in the game like petroleum. Prophets politicking cause religion is the opium. Oldest copycats, little pussies, no fallopian. Sunken islands, don't you ever think that you're punkin' eye. Drunken eyes, with the situation wasn't colorblind. Color mind lotion, I'm in motion. Now you itching for the stabs, triggers with the room. Got explosives like a bomb. I test my bars within the ocean. Promotion from the radio is corporate extortion in a way, so I lay low in the underground where the shores tend to pay low. I do not amount to being a pawn in a slave show. Acting like a puppet when the master has a say-so. Plus he has a budget. Conditional agendas. Morals are surrendered. Cash will be wired, so say why yava no bender. Chocolate chatengwa uchawana ma pretender. The Kit Kat, broken telephone, it's a chit chat. Rat on your mouse like check 'em when they click at the folder. Always at the killer cause a holder. But told ya, Ditori's a military soldier. Watch me when I smoke him kunge forge ga.